Okay, thanks for joining me today. I'm going to show you a great site, my favorite site, to grab a few extra video clips for your YouTube video. Maybe you don't have a drone and you want to get some drone shots, or maybe you want to add some moving water to your shot, to your video clips. Anyway, here it is. It's called Pixabay. So basically just type in Pixabay, Pixabay.com, Pixabay.com, and it's going to shoot you right over there. Very colorful page. I like to right away go over here to explore. Now you can click on videos. It'll take you to that section, or photos, or you can just do a quick search right here. I like to go over here and look at the popular videos whenever I jump on this site and just see what everyone else is enjoying downloading. Now you'll notice these are HD. There are also some 4K if you scroll through here. Here over here on the left, this one's 4K right here, and as you put your cursor over the top of each video, it will give you an image, a video clip of each. This one's pretty cool. This guy throws some, there you go, look at that, welcome. That's pretty cool. You can throw that at the beginning of your video clip. That's nice. Let's say you were out hiking around and you didn't quite get some video of a stream. Over here on the left or on the right, there is a nice stream flowing. Okay, real easy to download these. Basically click on the one that you want and it will take you over to a free download. Okay, it also talks about the license here, which I'll show you. These are free to use. Right here it says they can be used for free for commercial and non-commercial use. And there's also a section what is not allowed down here. We'll glance at that real quick. Attribution is not required, but giving credit to the contributor, like the video creator, and also noting Pixabay down in your description is also a great thing. It's just always appreciated to do that kind of stuff. But it says down here you're not supposed to redistribute or sell someone's images or videos. You're not supposed to sell unaltered copies or images, and so forth down here. But anyway, you're free to use these, but again, I suggest be sure to put the contributor's name and Pixabay.com link in there. But let's just go back here. It does show the contributor's name right here. This one's Mikey House, or Mike House, and shows he has 20 or she has 24 videos. I'm not sure which that is. You can click here for a free download. It gives you options of all different, 4 different resolutions. I always click on the 1920 1080 and just simply click the download button, and it'll walk you through here, and you can save it, and it'll quickly save. This one's 24 megabytes, so this one is a little bit larger than some of them actually. I wanted to also show you a quick thing. Hey, let's say you went skiing and you don't have a drone, but you want to get a drone shot of the ski resort and so forth. Hey, if you just type in mountains, let's type in mountains. Let's see here. What's this one? Here's an HD one. Oh, look at this, 14 seconds. Has a drone going over the mountains. Sunset. That'd be a great clip to add to your ski video. There's even some more skiing. Here's some chair lifts. Man, there's so much stuff on here. I think it's going to be a great addition to your videos. I hope this really does help. If it did, please subscribe if you haven't already, and leave a comment. Let me know what other kind of videos you would like to see me make to help you out with your video creating and so forth. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you at the next video.